shopping, I feel like nothing fits me right. Everything is just a little too big, too baggy, too long, or funky fitting. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite top 9 clothing hacks. You can use these to go to any wedding, graduation, date night, anything that you want. So be sure to comment down below and let me know which clothing hack is your favorite. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you could subscribe. I love giving back to my subscribers, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to join this month's giveaway. The button is here or down below. Without further ado, let's get started. It's been a while since I've created a DIY here on my channel, so I thought summer is just right around the corner and I know you guys love my DIYs. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY striped crop top with a super cute tie detail. First, you're going to need a large piece of fabric that's about 15 inches by 26.5 inches wide. For the straps, you're going to need a 15-inch by 1.5-inch piece of fabric. You've sewn together your tube top, now we're going to add on our straps. Mark the area where I want to sew it together to the tube top. This top took less than 30 minutes to create, and this top just screams summer. Now I'm going to show you another way you can wear your off-shoulder top to make it more comfortable on your body. Let me know if you can relate to this, but whenever I wear off-shoulder tops, I feel like I'm constantly readjusting my clothing and feeling super self-conscious. When I lift my arms, the shirt will rise up, or if I'm constantly tugging it down. First, wear your off-the-shoulder top without the sleeve. We're going to tie a bow right on the top near the top of your chest. Don't be afraid because we're going to be readjusting throughout this DIY. Tie twice if necessary. So now all you have to do is just kind of readjust any of the excess fabric we have here. It's a really cute little bow detail that we've added to the front of our top. Moving on to the next DIY. This super cute orange halter top. For this DIY, you will need scissors, buttons, thread, orange ribbon, and an old t-shirt that you can transform into a halter top. So I'm going to lay this halter top right over top, and then I'm going to take a piece of chalk and I'm just going to outline this halter top to make sure I have a good template. Currently the top is too wide for my body. Take this in a bit and then I'm going to add 2 buttons on each side. Alrighty, so here is the final halter top. I love the way it turned out. I would have never expected that this was previously a t-shirt in its past life. This is a great simple top. You could probably wear it during the summertime for a festival or just a cute like beach day with your friends. Dun, da, da, da. I present to you the skirt. I picked up this skirt from a Taiwanese street market and I haven't worn it since. I feel that's a tad bit too short to be a skirt. Now I'm going to transform this little mini skirt into a top. Underneath this skirt, there's a pair of built-in shorts. I'm going to cut this area right here. I can easily slip this over my head. On the skirt here, there's these 2 little belt loops. We're going to trim that off because we definitely don't need them anymore. And here is the final transformation. This DIY is perfect if you have a skirt that is probably a little too short that could probably work better as a top. Comment down below and let me know, what do you feel more comfortable wearing, skirts or pants? are a fun way to upcycle old clothing and to make it look new again. So I'm going to be updating these pink denim shorts with these really cute patches. You're also going to need a pair of denim shorts. I have these blue ones and pink ones. Okay, with the help of our assistant, she's going to be helping us add patches to our shorts. You're also going to need an iron. Be careful with this because it's hot. You guys caught me. I do love shopping in the sales section every now and then, especially when I need to shop for a special occasion. So for instance, I found this gorgeous embroidered black dress with all of these flowers on it. I love the sheer overlay. This dress was only $9.50. It almost seemed too good to be true, and it was, because inside I realized the slip was just way too short. It was actually a romper underneath. If your dress is too short, you can add your own slip underneath just to make it a little bit longer. I feel like this shirt is making me look a lot shorter than I actually am. Don't you guys get stressed out when you find a shirt that you love, but you just feel like it's a little too long for you? Take both ends, cross it over once, cross it over again. You have this really cool knot. Bring it around to the back and then tie it into a knot. Next, I'm going to show you how to transform this striped shirt into a wrap top. All you have to do now is take one side and cross it over to the opposite side. And take the other side and just tuck it in. This is a very fun and casual way to wear this top, maybe to the beach or somewhere lounging around at the pool. One of my favorite clothing hacks is to wear my clothing backwards. I know it's a little bit strange, but I feel like everyone here on my channel is totally open to that. What's great about this is you have a more modest neckline in the front, but it's definitely cute and flirty in the back. Scarf that I'm working with today. This is an old one. I really love the coral color and it's just nice, breezy and airy and just makes me think of summer. I'm going to show you how to transform this scarf into a beach cover-up. So just grab the scarf and fold it in half. Bring it over your back. Bring this end together, covering yourself. Hold on to one of the ends and bring to the bottom. Grab the other end at the bottom as well and just tie these two pieces together. And then you can also fold over the top of here as well to create more of a neckline. And now I need your help with this DIY. So I want to know, what do you think I should do to this t-shirt here? I just picked this up from Target. It was on sale for $5 and I love the ombre look to it. Do you think I should add a patch? Should I cut this up? Comment down below your suggestions and I will show you in my very next video what I end up doing. Yay! So you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and seriously, all of your incredible support in my clothing hack series has been crazy. Love creating my 1-year vlog. It was like birthing a baby. It was like having a baby. That's how I feel. I just felt so incredibly satisfied and happy after I made that video. Click on the I button and vote on what video you want me to make next. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram for more style inspiration. My username is Fashion by Ali. I also share behind the scenes of my YouTube videos on my YouTube stories. Bye, thank you for watching. I honestly can't believe I scored this dress for $9.50. That's like 3 In-N-Out burgers. That's like 10 McMuffins. That's like my Are you ready to go out for a nice summer day out?